Oh, you had me going too. I was like, you're right. It's completely backwards. And I'm like, no, it's not.
I swear it was.
Your calculator just like really has it out for you and like switched the numbers the last second. And it's like, yeah, she's crazy. And you're like, what?
Well, it might have been switched. Well, let's say it was switched before.
Okay. I think your calculator is like our first sentient calculator ever and really has it out for you, which is surprising because you're like the sweetest person. But the calculator's like, I've had it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do this by hand, and this is going to be awful, but you might have to do this on the AP exam, and they will give you the formula, so we're doing it, okay? We're doing the exact same thing, only we're doing it by hand, which is why there is a giant chart here, and we're going to share the work so that we don't all have to do it, okay? So, for y equals mx plus b, the m is n times the summation of xy minus the summation of x times the summation of y over n times the summation of x squared minus parentheses the summation of x and then a squared, and b equals y bar minus m times x bar. Do you guys know what y bar and x bar is? What does bar usually mean? An average, yeah. So x bar will be the average of the x's and y bar will be the average of the y's. Okay. So we're going to work on this together. This is x, this is y. First I'm going to write down all these numbers. You can just copy me. 1.7, 1.2, 2.5, 2.8, 3.6, 2.2, 0.8, 1.5, 2.4, 5.9. In the y column, we have 552.6, 462.3, 475.4, 374.3, 748.5, 400.9, 253, 318.6, 498 or 496.8, and 1,180.6. All right, so pretty apparent we're going to need 2 more rows, considering that's what I put on here, spoilers. Anybody know what we definitely are going to need according to this formula up here? X times y. What else will we need? X squared. Okay. When we do the x squared stuff, let's just go like, let's just do 1 decimal place after it. Same thing with x and y. So, I'm going to start assigning this stuff to you, okay? And we'll just all do it together. That sound good? All right, so Emma, you got this one. Brianna, Jesselyn, Natalie, Sierra, Brennan, Caitlin. I'm just going to repeat here. Emma, Brianna, Jesselyn, Natalie, Sierra, Brennan, Caitlin. Emma, Rihanna, Jesselyn, Natalie, Sierra, Brennan. Oh, Caitlin, you get a freebie. You lucky. Everybody ready? Okay, Emma?
939.4.
Rihanna?
554.8.
554 point what? Okay. Jocelyn?
1,188.
Okay. Natalie?
1,048.
Sierra?
2,694.6.
Brennan? The first time you had to use your voice today? I'm so sorry that that happened to you. You having to use your voice. That's horrible. Caitlin?
202.4.
Back to you, Emma.
477.9.
Rihanna?
1,192.3.
Jocelyn?
6,165.5.
Natalie?
2.9.
Sierra?
1.4.
Brennan? Caitlin?
1.84.
Emma?
13.
Rihanna?
1.8.
Jocelyn? Natalie?
2.3. 5.1.
Okay. So now what I want you to do is I want you to sit by your partner and you are going to try to use this equation correctly to figure out these things. Or do you want us to, do you want the experience of trying to just hack through the formula yourself and figure it out, or do you want me to lead you through it? I just need one person to have an opinion. Okay, so do it yourself. So go sit with your partner, decide what you need to get through the formula. You already know the right answer, because example 1 was the same thing, right? It was just done through your calculator. Are you going to have the exact same numbers as your calculator? No, we're rounding a little bit here, so it might be slightly off, but it'll be pretty darn close. Who's missing their partner? Just you? You can join any group you want. How about I do it at the same time up here? I'll just do it silently, okay?